provocative. Trump has dismissed all of this. He says it's a political witch hunt. His daughter Ivanka will also take a stand on Wednesday.
Trial's a bench trial, meaning that the ultimate decision about liability rests with the judge. It says the Trump legal team never asked for a jury trial. Cincinnati police say someone stopped by a group of children Friday and fired 22 bullets at them, killing an 11-year-old and wounding 5 others. Where will this stop? Will this ever stop? Tension is rising over the Israel-Hamas war. Police in Adana, Turkey, firing tear gas and water cannons. Protesters tried to storm an airbase that houses U.S. troops, spraying with hurricanes. This ahead of Secretary of State Antony Blinken's visit to Ankara for talks about Gaza. A resignation rocks college football.
Man, this is scary. The street
University of Michigan Wolverine football analyst. Sources tell ESPN the Stallions accused of buying tickets to more than 35 games around the country featuring Michigan opponents. Allegedly paid hundreds of bucks to have coaching signals along the sidelines recorded. ABC's Alex Pershet.
Attorney adding the Stallions know neither Coach Harbaugh nor any other coach or staff member told anyone to be involved or were aware of improper conduct. And while sign stealing isn't illegal, the NCAA Code of Conduct states off-campus in-person scouting of future opponents and payment is prohibited. No speculation.
Capital City now trending on Sacramento's News Radio.
A man shot and killed after hitting a motorcycle and then threatening police on the Sacramento freeway tonight. CHP says this all began as a chase on I-80 near Norwood this afternoon. That motorcyclist is in critical condition. Stanford University says the hit and run of a marathon being investigated as a hate crime. Private university near Northern California's Silicon Valley releasing a statement saying the victim, who was not seriously injured, was struck on campus Friday afternoon by a black Toyota 4Runner, and that driver shouted a racial slur as he drove away. The Santa Clara County Sheriff's Office says state officials have determined it was a hate crime. Stanford University has reported at least 5 possible hate crimes since the start of the Israel-Hamas war. I'm Phil Ferraro.
Now, Sacramento traffic. A new accident in Rockland has got your foot slammed with a brake pedal. You found it before Rockland Road and vehicle ran into the left lane after hitting the center divide when it lost a tire. You're backing up from 65. It's different sights eastbound 80 from Elkhorn Boulevard to Antelope Truck Stop. The train wreck on down there to an I-80 investigation. No estimated time of opening all traffic. If we're off that greenback lane, you're backing up from the top city. Southbound 99 heavy from Garden Highway down Crow Boulevard. And Citrus Heights, your proper to Foster, northbound 90 from down Crow Boulevard. Traffic on the 10s every 10 minutes, mornings and afternoons. From the Champaign Traffic Center, Steve Brewer, Champaign News Radio. Now, Sacramento weather. Partly to mostly cloudy for tonight. A stray shower, the low 58 to 62. Then clouds and sun for tomorrow. Shower in the afternoon. At 68 to 72. Clouds and sun for Tuesday. Cool high 65 to 69. Beautiful day today, Sacramento and Bay Verde. Following is a paid advertisement by Security Products.
Oh my gosh, this is so